Good afternoon to all the members, Rajiv sir, Mondeep sir, each and every member present over here. Well, I have seen many things and I was waiting if the moment comes up, if they give an opportunity for anyone to speak over here. And first I'll introduce myself. My name is Victor and I was teaching chemistry in Escosys, English medium, Seba. And I'll just take 5 minutes to share some experiences, what I had with this particular organization these days. First of all, a great thank you to Mondeep sir for inviting us to this podium. I remember each and everything here. I remember Shehnaz ma'am calling over me. I remember my makeup being done by Nandini ma'am. Even I slept on the sofa when the makeup was done, I remember. So it was very soothing, Then I had Momita ma'am, then all the people, Pankaj da, then Dhrubajyoti, then all those camera people, technical people, those who are here, who has made this possible only because of one reason, which we have learned in our academics. If I speak about my own experience, basically I belong to a very poor family. I was struggling with my financial problems when I was studying. But then this particular platform has given two things, and this has taught us what dedication is. Because I have seen these people working day and night. At present, I am engaged as a PhD chemistry in SFS Higher Secondary School, Narangi. And I am also associated with Lalans in Guwahati. I have also worked over with some other institutions also. And the education which they have given, language, everything is up to the mark, whatever we have done. So I congratulate and I want the people related to Escosys to praise themselves and thank them that they have made this day possible on this particular day, which is 19th September. All the people working, and especially many guests are here, and I have also remembered some of my previous engagements. Nippon Goswami sir is here. Sir will not recognize me, but I recognize him very well. When I was a student in Guwahati University Youth Festival, sir gave me the award for the best actor. So I can, now that I have gone or beard has gone come up, so maybe sir may not recognize me. But the way they have presented this platform, the way they have done it, and the way they have showed how language cannot be a bar to all the students, to all the student fraternity, the entire education platform. Because digital is something which we are accepting. For the past 2 years, I have been doing online classes, we are doing on Zooms, we are doing on Google Meet, we are using OpenBoards, we are using a lot of software. So that is giving us strength to all those people. Everywhere we go, we have to face a digital era which has come forward. And will wholeheartedly, I would like to thank once again the entire team of Escosys, all the people related who has done this day possible. Thank you very much, and my good wishes with all of you. Thank you.